Build your life, do it yourself. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I went to Trader Joe's to get a few things. I believe the total was about $50. So the first thing I got was a box of tissues. I got this bag of baby wild arugula. I got this bag of these little mandarins. I believe this is a 2-pound bag. Got these Gone Bananas dark chocolate covered banana slices. I've never had those before. They look yummy. I got a bunch of bananas. I got this bag of apples. They are the Envy apples. I got the kids these frozen chicken drumellas, little drumsticks. I got some orange juice. I love their orange juice, no pulp. Okay, so here are some more things. I got some cut and peeled baby carrots. I got this package of fresh pork loin chops. It's got 3 chops in there for $7.43, as you can see. I got some asparagus. I could not for the life of me open that bag for the asparagus, so finally I did it. I got some smoked turkey breast lunch meat. Okay, I got some Swiss cheese slices. Got some Colby Jack cheese slices. I got some of the Trader Joe's chocolate milk. I finally found some lactose-free milk. I was surprised that they didn't have more options for the lactose-free milk. But I think that's everything that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon.